In this video, I'm gonna test my jet diesel plane, so let's get to it. So here it is. It took me about 2 days to make. It has 8 jet engines, 4 on each side, and it uses 2 66-cylinder modular engines on the sides. It has air brakes and everything a plane needs. So let's test it out. The way you enter is this way. This is to refuel the modular engine, which is on the wing, and the fuel for the jet engines is inside here. All the fuselage is a fuel tank for the jet engines, since they consume a lot of fuel. This is to pump fuel out, this is to pump fuel in. So to enter, you climb these ladders and you open this hatch. First of all, you need to give everything power. Okay, we have some equipment. We have a parachute, a diving suit, some hoses. We have some seats here. And let's see the controls. So this is how you operate it. We have a generator up front. Let's check out the generator first. To turn it on, you first need to give it power. Then you need to start it up. And this is the throttle. So let's put it at max. And it's a little smoky, but it charges the battery almost instantly. Let's turn it off now. Okay, so this is the air brake, this is the hand brake, this is a small winch that's down here to raise it and lower it. This is a transponder indicator light. This is the fuel valve for the jet engines. This is to lock the hatch. This is the generator information. This is the cockpit liquid level. This is a parachute, generator power, and cockpit ballast. This is the jet thrust spoiler to give the jet engines actual power. This is how much jet fuel we have, the speed we're going, and the height. Over here is the information for the modular engine propeller. The fuel, 2,000 liters, about 1,050 liters on each wing. RPS, battery, temperature. So that's pretty much it. First up, we're gonna test the jet engines. So the first thing you have to do is turn on the fuel valve. Okay, power. First thing you have to do is turn on the fuel valve. Then what you do is start it up. Give it some throttle. As soon as you hear it started, you turn it off. It takes a few seconds. There we go. Now it's working, it's on, but it's not producing any thrust. So this is where you press this toggle button and it's about to launch. There we go. And we should start flying. And there we go. We're up. It flies pretty nicely. We're going nice and high. I would say it's a pretty good plane. It has many features. Let's lower the throttle just a little bit. Okay. This creation costs about 50,000 and weighs about 5,000 mass, which is not super duper heavy. You're probably wondering the speed. We're going at about 125, and it has a top speed of about 150. Jet fuel doesn't go down as fast. We have 12,000 liters, so we have a lot of fuel left. And yeah, this is jet mode. Let's go on to diesel mode. Now let's turn on the modular engines first. Diesel engines. So you do like this, give it some nice throttle, and we're flying. There we go. Pretty nice. Now let's get the jet engines going. Nicely as well. First thing we gotta do is turn on the fuel valve, turn this thing on, and wait till it pops. There we go. Turn the starter off, turn the throttle at max, and there we go. We can see a helicopter in our airspace, and these are the two combined at once, diesel and jet. You probably are wondering, how fast does this jet go? And the two combined go at about 140 meters per second. We are consuming not that much fuel, and you know the rest. And thank you for watching. I'm overall really proud of this creation, and like, subscribe, and see you on my next video.